Students, this is the lesson number 12 of class 4, how Mowgli joined the pack. In the part first, I have explained the lesson. Now in the part second, see the word meaning of the lesson. Pack, a group of animals that hunt together. Yawn, open the mouth wide and breathe in deeply when you are tired or bored. Stretch, put your arms or legs out straight. Whine, complain in an annoying voice. Horrible, that makes you unhappy, upset or frightened. Spitefully, behaving in an unkind way to hunt or upset somebody. Scour, search a place or thing to find somebody, something on fire. Snarl, growling, savage, violent or causing great harm. Retaliatory, do something harmful to somebody because they have harmed you first. Howling, crying loudly and angrily, menacingly, causing harm or danger. Rustle, make a sound like paper, leaves and so on rubbing together. Mangy, suffering from a skin disease of an animal. Demand, request firmly for something. Query, an animal or person that is being hunted or followed. Insist, say firmly that something is true. Furious, very angry, fostering, taking care of another person's child. Buck, a male deer. Pebbles, smooth round stones. Arg, advise or try hard to persuade somebody to do something. Propose, suggests a plan. Hand over, the act of giving a thing or charge to somebody in authority. Now the next exercise. Here exercise is given, you have to match the following. So first is, it is a time to hunt again. Who said this? Father wolf said to the mother wolf. The wolves are free people. Who said this? Father wolf said to Sher Khan. Number C, each dog barks in his own yard. Who said this? Sher Khan said to mother wolf. D, number D, the man's cub is mine. Who said this? Mother wolf said to Sher Khan. Men and their cubs are very wise. Who said this? Number E, Akela said to Bagheera. Now here you see the question answer of the lesson. Write the answers to the following questions. Now first question is, which place is related with the story of Mowgli? Answer is Sivoni Hill is related with the story of Mowgli. Second number answer is, which news made the father and mother wolf upset? Answer is Sher Khan's shifting the hunting place made the mother wolf. Father and mother wolf made the father and mother wolf upset. Question number 3 is, what did the law of jungle forbid and why? Law of jungle forbade every beast to kill and eat man, as it led to the retaliatory hunting of wild animals, and man eating made beast mangy and toothless. Question number 4 is, who is the chairman of pack council meeting? Answer is Akela is the chairman of pack council meeting. Number 5 is, where was meeting held? Answer, this meeting was held on a hilltop. Where was this meeting held? This meeting was held on a hilltop. Number 6 is, what was the price at which Mowgli was allowed to stay with the wolf's pack? Answer, for the price of the bull, Mowgli was allowed to stay with the wolf's pack. Price of a newly killed bull. Mowgli was allowed to stay with the wolf's pack. Number 7 is, what did Mother Wolf say to Sher Khan when he insisted on getting the baby? Answer. Mother Wolf said to Sher Khan that the man's cub was her. The man's cub was her. Now here the fill in the blanks is given. You have to fill the blanks. Number 1 is, the wolf couple had 4 cubs. Answer is 4 cubs. The name of the mischievous jackal was Tabaki. Number 3 is, Sher Khan lived near the Vanganga river. Number 4 is, Sher Khan was lame in one leg. Who was lame? Sher Khan was. Number 5, chairman of pack council was Akela. Number 6 is, Ballu was a brown bear who taught the law of jungle to the wolf cub. Number 7 is, Bagheera, the black panther, spoke for Mowgli before the pack council. Number 8 is, Mowgli was a man cub who was brought up by the wolf couple. Number 9 is, Mowgli lived in the cave with a couple of wolves and their 4 cubs.